A new dawn for BRICS, expanding horizons in global politics and economics. The world is witnessing a significant shift in the balance of power as the BRICS group, originally consisting of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, decided to expand its membership. In August 2023, during the 15th BRICS Summit in Johannesburg, South Africa, the bloc announced the inclusion of 6 new countries: Iran, Egypt, Ethiopia, the United Arab Emirates, UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Argentina, though Argentina later withdrew. This expansion, effective from January 2024, is more than just an addition of numbers. It symbolizes a strategic move to reshape global governance and challenge the traditional dominance of Western-led institutions like the G7 and the International Monetary Fund, IMF. A bold step towards inclusivity. BRICS was founded on the idea of giving a voice to emerging economies that were often sidelined in global decision-making. Over time, this group has worked to promote a multipolar world where power is distributed more evenly among various nations. The decision to expand its membership reflects this ethos of inclusivity and shared influence. With the addition of these new members, BRICS will represent nearly half of the world's population and about 28% of global GDP. These figures are not just numbers, they represent the collective strength and potential of countries that have often been underrepresented on the global stage. The expanded BRICS is now in a position to assert itself more forcefully in international forums, advocating for policies that are more reflective of the interests of the developing world. A strategic realignment of global power. The expansion of BRICS is a clear indication that the global order is shifting. For decades, Western nations, particularly through organizations like the G7, have held significant sway over international economic policies. However, the inclusion of countries like Saudi Arabia and the UAE, major players in the global energy market, into BRICS marks a strategic realignment of power. These oil-rich nations bring with them considerable influence over global energy markets. As BRICS expands its control over such critical resources, it can exert greater influence on global energy policies, including pricing and production levels. This newfound leverage could serve as a counterbalance to Western influence, especially in matters related to energy security and climate change negotiations. Furthermore, the inclusion of countries from different regions, such as Africa and the Middle East, adds to the geopolitical diversity of BRICS. This diversity could help the group in broadening its reach and influence across various global issues, from trade and investment to security and diplomacy. Economic cooperation, the heart of BRICS. At the core of BRICS' mission is the idea of economic cooperation. The inclusion of new members opens up new avenues for trade, investment, and infrastructure development among the member states. Countries like Egypt, Ethiopia, and Iran bring with them new markets and opportunities for economic growth. This is particularly important for a group like BRICS, which seeks to reduce its dependency on Western markets and financial institutions. By fostering stronger economic ties within the group, BRICS members can better withstand global economic shocks. The diversity of the economies within BRICS, ranging from resource-rich nations like Saudi Arabia to rapidly growing markets like India and China, offers a unique opportunity for economic resilience. As the bloc deepens its economic integration, it could become a more significant player in global trade and finance, offering an alternative to the Western-dominated global financial system. The push for a multipolar world. The expansion of BRICS is part of a broader movement towards a multipolar world, where power is not concentrated in the hands of a few Western nations but is shared more equitably among various global players. This vision is not just about balancing power, it's about creating a world where the voices of developing nations are heard and respected. Over 40 countries have expressed interest in joining BRICS, reflecting the growing appeal of this emerging bloc. These countries see in BRICS an opportunity to align with a group that champions their interests on the global stage. The potential creation of a BRICS common currency, which has been discussed among the group's leaders, is another step towards reducing dependency on the US dollar and enhancing the financial sovereignty of its members.